are you? So I'm going to show you my nighttime routine. I have this micellar makeup remover that I use that I really like. So before you start your routine, if you had any makeup on during the day, you want to be sure and remove that, because while the skincare line has a cleanser, it's not a makeup remover. So your skincare line really is to cleanse your skin. So you want to make sure all your makeup is off first. And this is a fantastic makeup remover. It's not fantastic for mascara, but I go over it first and let it sit and then do the rest of my face and come back, and it'll get your mascara off. So it's not that it doesn't get it off, but I've used other makeup removers, and the first time across, boy, that makeup is off. But you know what? Those are some harsh chemicals in there. So anyway, okay, once you have your makeup removed, all the grime and nastiness off your face, the Age Reversist cleanser. I use the Age Reversist line, and it does not take a lot of cleanser at all. And so it says to rub it between your palms for a good lather. I have found that rubbing it on my face, oh, phooey, okay, well, in my neck, and this is gentle enough. You can do your eye area, and we're doing slow movements. I forgot to put my hair back. So you can move your head too, however you want to do it. Excuse me. You want to use a warm rag, a warm washcloth. Okay, where am I from if I use that word? All right. Okay, so use a warm cloth. And we're not pulling on our skin. And we want to be sure that we do the same to our skin and neck. I'm going to preach that every time. Round movement. And when you're using this when you're doing the cleansing part, you want to make sure your cloth is warm. Hot water opens your pores, and then cool water closes your pores. Okay, so that's all. We're done with the cleanser. The next step is toning. And we have our Age Reversist serum. It's a toner serum in one. And I just did one squirt. So after you're cleansing, you're going to feel your pores open. Then you put this on, and it's going to, you're going to feel a cool sensation as well. And when I first started this, I needed a whole lot more product, probably 3 pumps of this serum, and even more of the moisturizer. But now, that one pump did this whole area, and I don't feel like I need more. So, that's a good thing to know too. All right, and then we're going to move to moisturizing, and I love this moisturizer. It just pops up like that. Okay, and then make sure your skin is dry. Feels a little bit tacky. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to share this product with you. This is our men's 3-in-1 body wash. I absolutely love it. This is the size of the cleanser, so it's bigger than the facial cleanser. Anyway, it's 13.5 ounces, but it smells amazing. It's men's, and my husband loves it. But what is really cool is I came in the other day to get in the shower, and the bathroom, the whole bathroom smelled like this. And it's a really nice scent. It's not overpowering at all. It's not that really strong, overpowering men's cologne smell. I had a teenage boy, so I know that some things can just be, wow, overpowering. So here's my second pump of the moisturizer. Anyway, so I really, really love that body wash. It's very affordable. And my husband, before we got that, he would just take whatever bar of soap was in the shower and wash his face and wash his hair and wash his body. And I'm like, that's not what it's for. But I guess, guys, you don't really think about it. But now he loves this. And it's a shampoo, body wash, and face wash. He uses it to shave too. All right, so after you do your moisturizer, you got it all over. Then the last step is your eye cream. Use our ring fingers for our eye cream, and we're just going to dot it on there. So this whole line, the skincare that I just showed you, is $110.60 retail. Or if you want to get it for 50% off, which would be $55.30, you can get it for 50% off too. It's a $19.99 membership fee. It's good as long as you keep your membership active. To keep your membership active, it's $1 purchase in 6 months. So as long as you do that, you get your 50% discount. You get a website with that, so you go into your back office and you place your orders. And you get your website, you get 50% off your product. There's one other thing I can't think of right now. Anyway, oh, if you decided you wanted to do this as a business, if you were talking to your friends about how great the products are and they're like, cool, how do I get some? You can send them to your website and they can order from you. And when they order from you, you get 50% of that order. And all you have to do is order $1 worth of products every 6 months. That's it. So it's fabulous. I started this just for the discount because I like to get the best deal I can get. And it's really been a lot of fun. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you. That's my skincare routine. That's the Age Reversist skincare line. The cleanser, the serum toner, the moisturizer, and the eye cream. There is an extra step you can purchase. It is the Age Reversist Exceptional Cream. It is separate from this, and it is absolutely amazing. It comes in a little teeny packet. It's only got a little bit. It's not made for your whole face. It's made for the areas that you've got lines and wrinkles. It comes in a cute little box. Fits on the palm of your hand, but it's full of amazingness. So don't let the size fool you. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, and you guys have a great day. Bye.